Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Tesla's struggle with racism is a story that's been unfolding for years, and it's about time we take a closer look at what's going on inside those Fremont factories. Imagine walking into a workplace where you're constantly being harassed, belittled, and discriminated against just because of the color of your skin. That's what Raina Pierce, a black worker at Tesla's Fremont electric car factory, claimed to have experienced during her time there. She alleged that her manager referred to the facility as the plantation and the slave house, and that she was subjected to a barrage of racial slurs and abuse. Now you might be thinking, that sounds like something out of a movie or a horror story. But this is real life for many black workers at Tesla. And it's not just one incident, it's a pattern of behavior that's been reported by multiple employees over the years. The California Department of Fair Employment and Housing has filed suit against Tesla, alleging that black workers are being paid less than their white counterparts, denied promotions, and faced daily racist abuse. But what's even more concerning is that Tesla has seemed to dismiss these allegations. In a 2022 blog post, the company claimed it strongly opposes all forms of discrimination and harassment, but critics say that just doesn't add up. With hundreds of current and former black workers signing on to a class action lawsuit against the company, it's clear that there's a systemic problem at play. In fact, this is one of several cases against Tesla that are making headlines right now. A jury trial in a case brought by Marcus Vaughn, a former Tesla contractor who alleged widespread racism and discrimination, is set to start soon. And just last month, an arbitrator ordered Tesla to pay $1 million to Melvin Berry, a black former factory worker who was subjected to racial slurs. So what's going on at Tesla? How did this come to be? And what does it say about the company's values and culture? These are all questions that need to be answered. As we continue to follow this story, one thing is clear. Tesla needs to take a hard look at itself and figure out how to create a workplace where everyone feels welcome and valued. As we'll explore in more detail on our channel, ElectroDrive News, the struggles of black workers like Raina Pierce are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a broader conversation about racism and inequality that needs to be had, and we're committed to shining a light on it. Thanks for watching.